Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Lately, I have been learning how to watercolor. I've been following a lot of tutorials online, on YouTube, and just learning how they work. I've tried them before in the past and it did not turn out, and I kind of just stopped trying to learn because I'm like, well, I'm no good at this. So I decided to actually sit down, follow a bunch of tutorials, put in a lot of practice, and I have found that I actually really love watercoloring. I do have footage of trying to learn how to use the watercolors and following the tutorials that I might release later, but for now I just want to release this one because this is the first one where I sat down without a tutorial, without any help, and I just painted what I wanted to paint. I'm actually rather happy with the outcome. I think it turned out how I wanted to, and the process was super relaxing, and I have found that I really enjoy watercoloring. So definitely expect to see more watercoloring videos in the future. If you liked this video, then smash that like button, and if you want to see more in the future, then subscribe and ring that bell. And until next time, see ya!